In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage access to a project sheet in Smartsheet. We'll walk through how to open your project sheet, get to the workspace settings, and remove access for people who should no longer see or edit that sheet. Follow along on your screen as I go through each step. First, open your browser and go to Smartsheet. Once you're logged in, navigate to your project area and open the sheet called Project Sheet. This is your main working grid where your tasks, dates, and assignments live. Make sure you're actually inside the sheet, not just looking at a list of sheets, so that the options we need will appear. With the project sheet open, look towards the top of the screen for the area that's highlighted in the guide. This is usually in the toolbar or near the sheet name. Go ahead and click on that highlighted section. This control is what lets you see more options related to where the sheet is stored and how it's shared. After you click that, a menu or side panel will appear. From there, you want to click on Workspace. The Workspace is the container that holds your sheet, along with any related reports or dashboards. By going to the Workspace, you're accessing the higher-level sharing and permission settings, which is where you can control who has access. Once you're viewing the Workspace details, look for the option labeled Manage. Click on Manage to open the sharing or permissions window. This is where Smartsheet shows you everyone who currently has access to the workspace or the sheet, along with their permission levels, such as viewer, editor, or admin. Inside this Manage screen, you'll see a list of users and groups. Next to each name, there will be an X button or a similar remove icon. To remove access for someone, simply click that X next to their name. When you do this, Smartsheet will remove their ability to open the sheet or workspace, depending on what you're managing. Take a moment to double-check before you click the X, especially if several people have similar names. It's a good idea to remove access only for those who truly no longer need it, to avoid disrupting your team's work. Once you've removed the necessary people, you can close the Manage window. Your changes are saved automatically, and your project sheet access is now up to date.